First, open the oxygen valve. Adjust the pressure value to 0.2. Turn on the high-frequency switch. After the crucible is peeled, weigh the sample manganese ore, 0.05 grams. Click the Print button. Upload the weight to the software system. Then add about 0.5 grams of pure iron. Add about 1.5 grams of tungsten particles. Place the weighed sample in the test furnace. Waiting for test results. Sample testing completed.